So I'm starting a new series called Where Does This Go? Featuring my husband is going to have to say where this item goes. Okay, where does this go? Mmm, the vagina. Nope. What about this one? The urethra. Okay, you have to know this one. I'm doubling down on the vagina. There you go. It's the first one you've gotten right. All right, this one. That's a catheter. What type of catheter? One that goes in your urethra. Okay, this is the last one. That's for your stomach. To pump your stomach. Kind of. You actually got one. Sort of. Two. I had the vagina. Two. 205. You got the vagina. Okay, let us know if you want a part two.